Hi, I am Melissa. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to tell you about the special distributor sign up deal we have going on for November 2022. So this deal is going on all month. If you are interested in signing up to start your own business, get a great discount on products for yourself and products for your friends and family for the holidays, now is the time to do that. So during November, you would sign up as a new distributor. There is a $65 sign-up fee that is going to cover you for the upcoming year. It's an annual fee for distributors. And what you're going to get to start, what you normally get, is a lips kit with that. So that is going to include your choice from 3 different kits with different lip sense colors. So you're going to get 3 different lip sense colors. You're going to get a glossy glass. You're going to get a whole business portfolio and an oops remover to get you started to be able to share our amazing product lip sense, which is long lasting. It lasts 4 to 18 hours. It's smudge proof, budge proof, kiss proof. Once you apply it, it's an amazing product. So that is so that you can kind of show the product off to your friends and family and get you started selling. In addition, in November, when you place your qualifying order, which we can chat more about, that is basically just a 300 PV order, you get 50% off for your first 90 days, any $600 retail order. So you're gonna get $600 of product for $300 as a new distributor. And when you place that qualifying order of the 300 PV, you are also going to get a lips survival kit in November. So I'm going to show you what comes in this lips survival kit. It is worth $163, and it's going to come with some lips favorites like our lip balm. This is great for the winter coming up. People just absolutely swear by this product. This is just going to help your lips be healthy. It's for men, for women, for kids. It's for everyone. This is not scented. There's no color in it. And the best thing about it is there also is no wax in it. A lot of other products like chapstick have wax, or Carmex have these products that will actually build up on your lips. Our lip balm does not do that. That is why it's so great. It works really well with lip sense. Lip sense actually like adheres to your lips. So when you're using other products like chapstick, it's not going to stay on as well. But when you use our lip balm, that is not an issue because it does not have that beeswax in it. In addition, you are going to get 2 glosses. Our glosses are great, moisturizing, they have shea butter, all kinds of good things in them. So you are going to get that also in your kit. In addition, you are going to get our overnight lip mask, which is amazing. It smells like watermelon. It's really, really yummy. It's super moisturizing. It's designed that you would wear it overnight to help your lips just get a whole bunch of moisture overnight when you're sleeping. Just like your skincare for your face, it is your skincare for your lips. But a lot of people love it so much that they will also use it during the day. I've done that also. There is nothing to say that you cannot use that overnight lip mask during the day also. It's just definitely designed for night. And then you are also going to get some great samples and our brand new lip line corrector. That is actually going to be applied around your lips, and that's going to help with fine lines around your lips. So another great product to just keep this whole lips area really nice. Some samples are going to include our lip scrub and some just other little fun things in there for you to try out. So if you're interested in signing up to become a new distributor, my link is below. You can click that and sign up right now. Also, if you have any questions, I have my contact information below, so feel free to reach out and contact me. I'm happy to answer any questions and help you get started. We can connect on Facebook, and I can get you in some absolutely awesome training groups to just get you started and help you launch your business. I can help you set up a party, and we can get some orders too, to help you get that qualifying order. The awesome thing is, as a distributor, you can sell $300 worth of product, and then you yourself will get $300 for free. So it's just a great way to get some products that you want, get some gifts for the holiday, make some money, save some money. And I hope you're having a fabulous November. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.